Sabi ko na naman ang tayo nga sa bira na naman ang nga. Ay, live?
Mga malayo na natin na. Ay. Bos na? Ay, luto na. Luto na. Galong gondrong. Ay.
Wow, healthy.
Ano?
Meron ko lang yung mga... Masarap man yun, sila.
Mala.
Ha?
Mala. Hindi na kumandaan kahit. Iba na.
Meron na ako makakawag.
Bata nga yung sila ko na saging.
Ay, saging, yun na, natural.
Ang gadi, masarap na yun.
Kapag hindi ko na-imagine na naman pa. Nagungit ka luto, parang ito sa mangga maslaw.
Hindi man siya masom ng ganun. Masarap man. I don't want to meet a stranger. I'm taken. Hi Cheryl, I see nephew finally cut his hair. Yes. Bem, sabi ni Mike, cut mo daw kung na ang buhok mo, sana ano daw. Yeah. He cut his hair. It's not feeling well. Ikaw. Maybe people cough here, that's why. Like virus one. Galunggong, shut up your mouth. If you don't want to say anything good, shh. Where is your like butter from? I woke up again, so you're doing live. Buhat, ha?
Bulak.
Ito,
Di ba na?
gapas.
Opo.
Sa ano nung, sa may lamisa. Thank you, Han. I try to eat no taste because that's why the mango, because it helped me to taste no taste. I'm not eat breakfast morning, so I try to eat. That's why different mango with rice, something like. I love you. Mwah. Are you a little? Yeah, just a little, something like this. I'm fine. No worries. Look, Han. Just a little, just maybe yesterday I work a lot. I'm good. Training's good. When the register coming, I'm going anywhere, everywhere. Hi sis, are you well? I'm fine, just a little, not feeling the good. Maybe because just yesterday, I, I, I do something a lot. Your old man is GS here. GS, what GS? Is here. Yes, my hi Shannon. Hello husband. Hello husband. I miss you Shannon. Shannon S. S. Not mine, yours. Not mine. I'm my mine. My husband. Husband, yes. Yes. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Sir Michelle. Hi, Michelle. You need to careful health when you feel tired, sit down and rest. Yes, po. Yes, Shannon. Just rest. Because morning I work a lot. I like dance a lot, do laundry, walking, working. Oh my God, yesterday, my God. Lunchtime in the Philippines. Yes, sir, match. Yes. Yes po. Laundry is the hardest part. My energy is oh my God.
Ay, ito tita, tabi na ano mo. O, daman ako po na pang BP mo tita.
Ito sa ano?
Ito din sa kabila.
Hanapan na lang dito. Basta kulay black yan to. Where's my little babu? Babang! 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 Hanap ka ni Daddy Mike! Babang! Kana di si Daddy Mike, hanap ka.
Bila.
Yes.
Dito ako babay.
Sa babang mo, sabi, hi, hello, Daddy Mike, hello. Oh, kiss na kay Daddy Mike. Yes, you like this? Sorry, Shannon. Yes, sorry if I ignore you. It doesn't mean I ignore you. Just busy. Sorry. Oh, so cute. Yes. The little babang. We have me and Mike, a lot of kids here. My God. There she is. So adorable. Yes. Yes. Daddy Mike is on. Daddy Mike. I miss you, ka, Daddy Mike. One more. She ignores me too. No, I'm not. Sir Fred, I'm not ignoring you. Oh, my sorry if I ignore you.
Alam mo gano'n si Ashley.
Hello, Fred. Kiss mo si Daddy Mike.
Si Ashley
O, si Uncle Freddy.
Ashley.
Hi, Uncle Freddy. Sabi mo, hi, Uncle. Freddy. Yeah, say hi. Sabi mo, hi, Uncle Freddy.
Ay, Ashley, ang ganda, Ashley.
Uncle Freddy. She was a work hard yan.
Alam, hindi ka man.
Siya ka kay Daddy Mike. Hi, Daddy Mike.
Ulit. Si Tita mo, Ashley.
And a beautiful young girl. Sabi, say hi, Sir Fred. Ay, Uncle Fred. Hey, Mike. Uncle Freddy. Uncle Freddy. Uncle Kiki. Daddy Mike. Nanonood si Daddy Mike. Nanonood. Ha? Ha? Because sometimes I'm not feeling good when my period's coming, something like that. I feel headache, something. Huh? One more? Hi, Dion. You're there, beautiful. How are you? I'm fine. Tampo? No, ha? Tampo? No tampo. Love. No tampo, just love. One more, baby. Love. No candy leaking. Period sucks, yes. When my period coming, I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling good. Hi, Crab Kicks. Fred, she said, hello, Uncle Freddy. Yes. Hello, Uncle Freddy. Hello, one more. Yeah, same here. Yes, when my period, oh my God. Not feeling good. Yes, I know, Mike, I said hello. One more, sabi ha? Si mama mo di mangga? Bakit? And the older we get, the worse it. Oh my, yeah, something like that. It hurts. That's why when period's coming, I'm moody. My mood is not good. But not tampo. Yeah, me too. Once a month on Friday periods. What the fuck, Sir Fred? Friday, my period sucks. Fred, men do get monthly periods. Mike's period is worse than mine. Men have a period too. Man also have a period. Oh. Yes, big tampo. Ha? Big tampo? Why? You tampo? My God. Why tampo? No tampo. Now a good time for you to start keep track of your schedule. Use calendar and put X on this. When my period, big tampo. Why? Sabi mo, no tampo. She said, no, no tampo. One more, babang. Sabi mo, no tampo. No tampo. Daddy Mike, no tampo. Sabi, oh, Daddy Mike, no tampo. What a shame. What a shame. Yes, men can have issues with man when the crabby is Mondays. Ah, I don't know what is, I don't know. Also man, something like that. Wow. So sweet. Wait, I need to ask my nephew. Nagre-reglaman ka mo, Bimbol? Nagre-reglaman ang lalaki?
Nagregla. Anong gagawin ko?
Bastos ka talaga. Ay, si Sir Fred pa, no? Sabi na gano'n. Gusto ni mama mo mangga? Gusto mama mo? Mayroon dito sa balay mangga. Sabi mo, kuha mo dito, naka-plastic pa. Kuha mo dito sa balay, ha? They don't make blood, but crabby. Ah, crabby. Crabby. I thought I was ugly. Crabby. Hi, Sir Jeff. Crabby. You don't make up. Sheryl, believe everything we say. Okay. Crabby. Hi, hello, Fred. From Sir Jeff. So, Mike Tampo? If a man had a blood when he pees, he need to see a doctor. Ah, okay. Crabby means gross, you're in bad mood. Ah, okay. So, Mike, a bad mood?
Ay. Ay, na daw.
Sabi ko malayo ng pamati. O sige, madali na ako magkaroon. Niloloko naman ako. Siya man ko no, malayo ng pamati niya. Once a month. I'm sitting on bottom of mountain getting ready to climb up. Naimod mo waraman? Waraman dito sa balay? Mangga? Time for scooter training. Yes po. Yes, Han. Time for scooter training. Save that breath, Fred. You gonna need it. One, two, three. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Mari nga sahon, babang. The scooter going to be all rusty and broke down before she learns to drive in bike. Oh. Not like that. I'm careful, Sir Fred. What the fuck? Oh, Mike got lots of babies, so lucky. Yes, me and Mike already have a baby. My God, we have lots of babies now. She said, "What the fuck?"
Tita, ako nito.
Yatag mo na. Oh, wash your hands, ha? Kato na, wash your hands na. Kana, upo di babang mo, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash hands si babang.
Balik ko tayo, may muda.
Shannon, I'm sitting button. Ashley! Daddy Mike said hi, Ashley. Ano sabihin mo kay Daddy Mike? Ano sabihin mo?
Hi.
Ayun lang. Sabi mo, hi Daddy Mike. Uy.
Hi, Daddy Mike.
Cheryl, don't let kids hear you say, ah yes. Ah yes, they will say, hi Ashley, hi. Hi Ashley daw from Uncle Freddy.
Hi. Hi, Daddy Mike.
Yung sa Uncle Freddy pa. Uncle Fred.
Dad. Hello, Uncle Fred.
Uncle
Uncle
Fred.
Fred.
You like this?
Uncle Fred.
Fred, don't walk to say. Yeah.
Uncle Fred.
Kids, yes, the kids. Here you go. Hihi. Oh my God.
Natabil pa nga.
They both are cute, yes. She's babysit my kids. They are so cute.
Hoy,
Well,
Hmm.
why?
Ha?
Why?
O nag-wash ka na? Wash done na? O nag-wash your hands ka na? Tapos na? Done your wash your hands? Nagtapos na yun mag-wash ng hands niya.
Ambot, di man ako yung paupot.
Nino?
Yeah.
Ay? Mike has a built-in family and kids. Yeah, lots of kids. Oh my God. Hmm. Oh. I fell, ano?
Asin.
Sir Fred, I need to take a medicine because one. Wait lang po. Nothing wrong with that. I have a high respect for man who takes care of family. Yes. Yes, Shannon. See you next live.
Tita ka na kayo kasun.
Na makulugan ulo ko. Ano. See you next Bye-bye. Love you, my love, Mike. Thank you, Sir Fred. Bye, Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. Wait.